Today I'm going to show you how to update a deal using Zoho CRM in n8n in a quick, simple, and practical way. This is a really useful workflow if you want to automatically keep your deal records up to date without doing everything manually inside Zoho CRM. Whether you're changing a deal stage, updating a value, or adjusting any other field, n8n makes the process fast and efficient. If this video helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more no-fluff automation tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside n8n. Make sure you're in the correct automation because the changes you make here will apply to that specific workflow. Once the workflow is open, look over to the Nodes panel. This is where you can add new actions and integrate with different apps. In the Nodes panel, search for Zoho CRM and select it. This tells n8n that you want to work with your Zoho CRM account inside the workflow. After adding the Zoho CRM node, choose the Update a Deal action. This is the exact operation that lets you modify an existing deal record in Zoho CRM. Now you'll need to configure what you want to update. This is where you decide which deal fields should be changed, such as the deal name, stage, amount, closing date, or any other available property, depending on your setup. Make sure the deal you want to update is properly identified, and then map in the new values you want n8n to send to Zoho CRM. Once your fields are configured, review everything carefully to make sure the correct deal information will be updated. A small mistake here could update the wrong record or send the wrong data, so it's always worth double-checking before you run the workflow. After that, save your workflow and test it to confirm the deal updates correctly inside Zoho CRM. If everything looks good, your automation is ready to use, and that's it. You've now seen how to update a deal using Zoho CRM in n8n. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automation guides like this one.